Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here.
Today I'm making spiraled wire dangle earrings. I'm using 20 gauge wire. I have flush cutters, flat pliers, round pliers, and the Bead bail making pliers. We'll start with about 6 to 8 inches of the 20 gauge artistic wire and bend them both at about the 2-inch point. And then we're going to take the end of a pen to wind the short end around to create the spiral. So we'll just wind it around and then we'll remove the pen and take our precision round nose pliers to turn the end into a closed loop. This is my preferred way to make spirals. So we're going to close up that loop and then we need to collapse the spiral. So just push it down and just press it lightly with your flat pliers just to get all the wires lined up. And now we're going to place a bead on there. You can use an oval shaped bead, any bead that you like. And we're going to turn the end and then bring the wire around into a closed loop. And then hold the end and wind the wire around, and just holding the bead with your thumb, we're going to wind the wire around the bead down towards the spiral. So make sure you're holding the wire onto the bead so it doesn't slip. We're going to pull that end around and then clip it flush with the Xuron flush cutters. So after that you can take your tweezer nose pliers and just pinch in that pokey end, do any other adjustments that you need. And then to make the earrings, get some hypoallergenic wire, and we're just going to do them at the same time with the bail making pliers. We're going to turn the ends into a loop and then bring the wire around to make the hook. We're holding both wires together, and now we just need to bend the end at a bit of an angle, and then you will file the end to make it soft. So now we could just put that hook on the earring, close it up, and there you have your cute little spiral earrings. And now we're going to do the same thing with a slightly longer piece of wire if your bead is longer. And we'll separate those and do the spiral with the end of a pen. Just bring it around. Make sure your end is cut flush. And then we're going to take the precision pliers. I will link up all my tools in the description below the video. So we've got our spiral done, and now I'm doing a long bead. It's sort of a rectangular bead. We're going to bend the wire to the left, and taking our round nose pliers or the bail making pliers, we're going to do a loop at the top. As before, we will hold that loop, bring it around, and then hold the bead and work the wire down towards the spiral. Just holding the bead with our thumb and finger and bringing the wire around. You can go around as many times as you like. You could even do multiple beads if you prefer. And then we'll clip that end flush and push in that little pokey end with the tweezer nose pliers. Do any little adjustments and then get our hook, open it up, and we will slide on the earring onto that hook, close it up, and there you have your beautiful spiral dangling earrings.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.